The problem my group and I chose is poverty. Based on the videos and the text, we know that over 44 million people live in poverty. And this societal problem has a tremendously negative impact on our children, families, and our schools. Studies show that children from low socioeconomic backgrounds tend to have low literacy levels because of their home environment, their parents' literacy levels, and parent-child literacy interactions. On page 16 of Authors in the Classroom by Ada and Campoy, we read that children born in a dominant culture are taught at an early age to regard members of the subordinate culture as other, different, inferior, and not fully human. These early childhood learning experiences tend to be painful and confusing for students of low socioeconomic backgrounds. Also, the standard of living within particular communities has a huge impact on the school's resources. So, schools that have mostly low socioeconomic students tend to have bigger class sizes, less experienced teachers, less resources that includes computers, gymnasium equipment, etc., to provide a quality education and help students that are already struggling behind. The ideas that I challenge are that if or students fail standardized tests, or teachers are bad at their jobs. I also challenge the notion that if our students are failing academically, then they're not intelligent. The throughout the entire course, we learned that education policymakers are politicians and corporate executives that push competition and accountability to improve our education system. This approach has been proven to fail. And the concept that is important that we know will improve our problem is the eradication of poverty. Without the eradication of poverty, however, we can still implement changes to minimize the effects of this problem. These changes includes reduced class sizes so our students get more one-on-one interactions with their teachers and or teachers can implement individualized lesson plans. We also need to improve our teacher experience. Our teachers need ongoing professional development, and this should include teacher collaborations because we learn a lot from each other.